So we made changes to automatic mode and showed you how to do that. And we also showed you how to make changes in manual mode. Now what I want to do is show you how to use reinforcement height wraps within automatic mode. So let's go check that out. All right, so in order to figure out my reinforcement height, the first thing I want to do is go to menu, go to manual commands, turn the carriage on and upwards, and I'm going to raise it up to the point of the pallet where I want to have those reinforcement wraps. So notice right here it's climbing up. So I got to 30. That's where I want it at. So I got to remember I want it at 30 centimeters. Now I'm just going to put it back down to its home position. Then I'm going to go back to home. Then I'll go to programs, others, and reinforcement height. So I'm going to enter in 30. Enter. I'm going to do 2 turns there. 2, enter, save, upload, and now I'm good to go. So I'll show you how we wrap that. Now that we have the film attached, we can start it up. All right, now it's the carriage going down. Notice right now, it's stopping and it's doing the reinforcement wraps at that 30 centimeters right now. So it's going to do 2 of those.